Question 24. ABC is a triangle, and part A we're asked to work out the area of this triangle, giving our answer correct to three significant figures. Now we're right towards the end of the paper here, and we're asked to calculate the area of a triangle, so it's definitely not going to be the base times the height divided by 2. And hopefully you're aware of the formula at the front of the paper, because this is a simple application of the area formula using some trigonometry. So area is equal to half AB sine C. So what we're looking for is we've got two sides and we've got the angle trapped between in this triangle, and we're just going to apply it as we see it. So the area here is going to be found by doing half multiplied by A, which I'm going to call this side. Doesn't matter because multiplication is commutative, so it's not going to affect our answer. This is going to be B, and we're going to times that by sine of the angle in between, sine of 60. Out with the calculator, and let's just get those values in. So we're doing a half times 6 times 7 times sine of the angle in between, 60, close off your brackets, and the answer comes out as 21 root 3 over 2. That's no good to me. I want three significant figures, so S to D button. 3 sig fig, in this case, 1, 2, 3 is going to be exactly the same as one decimal place. So in this case, it's going to be 18.2. That works out to be 18.2, and we have our 2 marks there. Next part, work out the length of the side AB, and we're very fortunate here. Again, some just basic applications of trig formula. In this case, we're asked for that side. I've got two sides. I've got the angle trapped in between. I'm looking for a third side, and that means we're going to have to use the cosine rule, and the cosine rule is given to us as well at the front of the paper. Cosine rule states that a squared equals b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cosine A. In this case, I'm going to call A this side here. And I'm actually going to rearrange, or not rearrange, but I'm going to do a little bit more work to my cosine rule. Because I want A, I don't want A squared, so I'm actually going to take the square root of everything here. I'm going to take the square root of b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cosine A. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to substitute the values in. So A is going to be found by doing the square root of all of this stuff here. B and C are just the two sides trapped between the angle. So I'm going to say B is this 6 here. So 6 squared plus 7 squared minus 2 times 6 times 7 times cosine of the angle, which in this case is 60 degrees. So calculator out again and let the calculator do all the hard work. So square root of 6 squared plus 7 squared minus 2 times 6 times 7 times the cosine of the angle in between, which is 60 in this case. Again, close off that bracket, round it off, and we're going to get root 43. That's no good to us because we're asked for 3 sig fig again. So S to D button, we get 6.557, etc. Let's just count along three significant figures. 1, 2, 3. So 3 sig fig for this number is going to be like rounding it to 2 decimal places. So it's going to be 6.56. 6.56, and we're done.